Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will talk about the applications of C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Applications of C programming language. C programming language is a popular and widely used language in various fields. Here are some examples of its applications. Operating systems. C is widely used for developing operating systems such as Unix, Linux, and Windows. According to TUB Index 2021, C is still the most widely used programming language for system programming and operating system development. Embedded systems. C is a popular choice for programming embedded systems, which are computer systems designed for specific tasks or functions. This is because C allows direct access to the hardware, has a small memory footprint, and provides low-level control over the system. Application software. C can be used for developing application software such as database systems, graphics editors, and word processors. For example, MySQL, one of the most widely used database management systems, is written in C and C++. Game development. C is also used for developing video games as it allows for high performance, low-level programming that is essential for gaming, graphics, physics, and AI or artificial intelligence. For example, the popular game engines Unity and Unreal Engine use C++ as their primary language, which is a supersede of C. Networking. C is often used for developing network software such as routers, firewalls, and servers. This is because C provides low-level socket programming that allows direct control over the network interface. For my references, I have here several. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation about applications of C programming language. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.